All right, hello and welcome. Brett here with GetLocalLeads.ai. And in this video, we're going to be continuing our series of 5-minute questions for the AI founder, where we are talking about AI and how to implement it to not only survive, but to thrive in this huge transition into the AI age. And the question that we have received for today is, what can AI do for my business? Okay. So the first thing that AI is going to be able to do for your business, and this is the most broad answer, is it's going to be able to cut your costs, and a lot of times dramatically. And it's going to be able to increase, because you're cutting costs, it's going to be able to increase your profitability. And I'll say this in addition, when you can cut your costs, you can also, because you're no longer limited in certain respects to depending on people who can only work so fast, you can also do a lot more work in a lot less time. So you save money by not needing to hire out so much labor because AI is cheaper, and that ups your margins. Also, it removes bottlenecks that people used to be in, and you can do a lot more work depending on what it is. And that also increases your profitability. Okay, so that's what AI can do for business. Now, how do you kind of identify where to start? Okay, so I'll give you a couple ideas and parameters on how to go and identify that. So especially this is going to be useful if you already have an operating system installed into your business, entrepreneurial operating system or something like that. And you have all of the engines that drive value in your business, your delivery engine, your sales engine, your outreach engine. If those are all really well mapped out, flow charted, standard operating procedures, you're going to be in a really, really good place to take advantage of AI. And what you're going to look for as you're inspecting the standard operating procedures in each of those engines is, number one, what is very well identified in terms of the workflow, what requires a person and takes that person a lot of time. Okay. You're looking for things that are repeatable and things that are probably boring. Those are going to be the areas where you want to start implementing the AI into your business. Okay, so for example, getting an AI answering machine. Instead of having a person sitting there answering the phone, you can now have AIs that are really fast. They're almost indistinguishable from real people. And they're going to hook in to all kinds of systems on the back end of your business. And they're going to do whatever they need to do, record the leads, schedule services. They can do all of these things now. So right there, you just, you know, automated your answering service. And you can only imagine, especially for local service businesses and home service businesses, um, you know, that can save a lot of money because those answering services and scheduling services can be expensive internally or externally. In terms of AI visibility, marketing, content creation, this can also, in large part, be automated. But again, it can only be automated as well as you have defined that system, that value driving engine in your business. Okay. And that's one thing that we really specialize in is the AI visibility, getting your business in front of those AI tools and getting leads from them. And these are a lot of the things we've focused on. Now, we'll go with one more, cold outreach. It is possible right now to have AI cold callers calling your target audience for your cold callers. You don't need cold callers anymore. Now, of course, you want to parallel test these to make sure that the AI systems that you're integrating get as good as or better results than your cold calling team. But these are the types of things that you can use AI for. Now, if you have a digital service, you can actually create AI tools that deliver the digital service for you as well. Okay, so these are some ideas on what AI can do for your business. If you find this content helpful, please feel free to subscribe. And if you'd like to chat with me and my team and getting AI implemented into your business, please feel free to book a call down in the description, and we'll see you in the next video.